Hey, Nick from the Tailors here, Harlan Collier in Tatton Hall. Doing a little video, and I'll do one next week as well, obviously, just to more for me to stay sane. Because the shop's shut, there's no customers, that type of stuff. So what do we do day to day? What do? We do little things that are the building blocks for life. Ironing a shirt, polishing your shoes, making your bed. You'd think this is just ironing a shirt, it's much more than that though. It's putting effort into yourself, and that's what clothes is. Not the most serious subject in the world, but if you look after yourself, give yourself this care, it transmits through to other people. You have a little bit of joy in your heart. So, okay, right. I'm going to show you how Her Majesty's Royal Marines taught me to iron a shirt. Obviously, ladies, you've got your fancy ruffles and pleats and things to make you lot look so fancy and beautiful. But essentially, it's the same thing. Don't overcomplicate it. Nice application of powerful steam in certain key areas, and you've got a crisp, beautiful looking shirt. Okay. Light little blasting over the body. Don't have to, because I mean, look, it's going to go on. 5 minutes of it being on, and you've got creases anyway. So just get the body roughly okay. Obviously, I've sort of ironed this a little bit. Now then, this is a key area. The placket on the front. Okay, this is where you'd put a little bit more effort into. And if you've got some nice spray starch, just a little, okay, just over the top, just to crispify it. Really, equipment is one of the most important things, though. Get the best iron you can. This has got a separate steam reservoir, all right. But steam, good equipment is just gonna really make or break your the process. And again, it's therapeutic. Enjoy it. Relax. This is not something to, I've got to iron a load of stuff. You may as well embrace it and enjoy it, and let those as the creases go, your stress goes. Ironing, honestly, it can be very, very relaxing. The collar is so important. We've got an air bubble in the collar, all right? This is a big air thing. Now you must iron press from the collar tip to the center, okay? Push that air bubble to the center. Turn it round, collar tip to the center. Push that air bubble to the center. You come this way, you're going to trap a little crease here. You're going to trap a little crease just here. You will never, ever, ever get rid of. Some customers, I remember when I was working in retail for quite a long time, customers have come back to spent a fortune on these shirts, 150 quid for a shirt, 200 quid for a shirt, come back, there's a crease there, yeah. We'll never get rid of that. So just purely by ironing, pushing it this way, okay? Collar, front. Here is down the sleeves, nice crease down all the way down the sleeve. Now I run that crease round the back of the shirt, across the shoulders and down the other side. No one will ever know that. No one will ever spot it. But I know it's there. And it makes me happy. And that's what it's about. And that's what clothes are about. It's self-indulgence, isn't it? Putting some time and care into yourself and looking after yourself. Which is what we all need at the moment. Because if you're happy and you look after yourself, you will look after others. And that joy and self-respect you have, you will want to do for others as well. So, like I said, much more than ironing. Sorry. This is my personal philosophy. Yeah, that crease running all the way around, all the way back to the thing. Someone spots that crease or sees this shirt on you or blouse. Goodness me, did you see her blouse? I tell you what, that woman is, if she pays that much attention to her blouse, she has got attention to detail. You know what? I think that is someone. That's a competent person. I feel good. Yeah, let's go with her. And who knows how certain business deals are landed. Cuffs, boom, and we're away. And there you go. Every day, less than 4 minutes, really. On it goes. Beautiful. All right, next week is going to be getting blood out of a white shirt, and yeah, so I'm more interested about where we're going to get the blood from. But tune in, and I will see you this time next Thursday as well. Nick Collier from the Tailors over in Tatton Hall, with and we got a workroom in Liverpool. Everyone stay sane, good luck, over and out.